Hi, my name is Hemant Yadav. I am from Bangalore. I work for Myntra.com as a CC refunds team leader. I recently got LASIK surgery done to lose my glasses. I'm wearing this specs since 8th standard. It's been more than 10 years. I really wanted to get rid of glasses, but I was not able to do so before because I'm a working professional and I did not much concentrate about LASIK and other things. When I wanted to do so, I did not have a proper information because everything was many things were not in place. Even if I wanted to get an information about LASIK, I go to YouTube or some friends tell me about it. It was a very rare information or not clear information I used to get. There was no clarity at all. Medfin was referred to me by my wife. She was going through her social media, internet, Instagram, somewhere. She read about Medfin, got to know about the reviews. She saw the details where people can get a LASIK done, and it's a very easy, simple procedure. The details was very clear and specific. She convinced me to get it done. Then I thought, let's give it a try. But in the beginning, I was informing her that this procedure is. I don't know what actually the procedure is. How will be done? I have to contact doctors, follow up, because this is not a regular thing or some problem which you have that you will mandatory go to a doctor. Here it is like an option. If you want to go to a doctor and get a test done, it's like your interest. So after she encouraged me, I thought of contacting Medfin, and then I did consult the first time. Just in one call, I got the complete information. Ekta from Medfin spoke to me, and all my doubts were actually cleared. Any information I would require, or she was already knowing what she's talking about, and based on the experience she had, the doubts which I might have after the call or after 3-4 days, she answered me in the same call, addressed me with every detail about the cost of the procedure, timings it would take, what will be the preparation for the procedure, how will the procedure be done, where will it be done, what is my part in that, how much percentage I need to be involved, and everything. So post which I got complete confidence, and I thought I'll give it a try. Until I actually reached the hospital and I spoke to a Medfin consultant, I was not sure that it's gonna work so easily, because you see the advertisements in social media, especially in Instagram and everything. Not everything is actually true. For us who wear glasses, and someone says you can lose your glasses after a 10 minutes, 15 minutes treatment, and in a week you can watch television, go to a 3D movie without a glasses, I would not have believed it. When I came into a hospital and there was a coordinator, Medfin coordinator, he explained me about the process. First test was done. First test is normal with the doctor, where he just sees the vision, and if the surgery is possible or not will be intimated over there, and the next scan details and everything was given. I got confidence over there. Next, there were 3 or 4 times I visited the hospital. Every time I had Medfin consultant with me. Every time, everything was already planned, prepared. The timings were very crisp, specific timings. See, if you say it is around 2:10, the appointment is at 2:10. 2:10 was the appointment. I never used to wait. I just visit the hospital 5-10 minutes before, wait for the doctor to call me in, go there, get it tested. Nothing happened out of my knowledge. Everything which was said was actually done. Since the day the surgery was completed, I was having, I was given a call twice on the same, once on the same day, and post 3 or 4 days, I was being monitored from the hospital side itself. I would say Medfin people and the coordinators and a coordinator from the hospital used to call me to understand my situation, and it was very flexible because WhatsApp was active. Not every time I used to get a call if I am not able to answer and all that. I used to get responses over WhatsApp, even if it is late, even if there was a small doubt I had post the surgery. I used to just WhatsApp the person from Medfin or from in the hospital, I can say. I used to just WhatsApp the person and ask what will I do because of this. They used to suggest me how to take care of the eyes post the surgery and everything. Everything went on smooth until 1 week, until the actual time you get your clear vision. Everything was clear. They used to call and follow up and understand my situation, guide me what to do with proper drops, proper timings and everything else. Every experience was excellent. I consulted Dr. Raghu from Apollo Hospital. The doctor was extremely supportive, and he just took 5 minutes to analyze what the situation is, and once he gave me the guidance of what will be done and how the surgery will be done by himself. He will be doing the surgery, how will the preparation will be done. He prepped me so well that I did not feel that like a surgery. It was like you have come to some appointment and it will be done in next 15-20 minutes. I did not have even 1% doubt, or I did not have any nervousness before going to the surgery. He was excellent in his work. When I was in surgery room also, he was talking to me continuously. He was encouraging me in such a way that I don't feel that I'm undergoing a surgery and get scared. Never happened. So that was very nice. One thing which creates a major difference from Medfin and the regular services is the follow-up and the intelligence what they have, and the way they have sorted out things, the way they have listed things makes major difference. Because if you go out for any consultation related to anything, we will have to visit different desks. Before I know what is going on with me, before I know what is the next step that has to be taken, I need to visit people, I need to talk to people, I need to analyze, do a self-analysis and then think of the next step. I will not know what the result will be. People will always expect positive responses, positive results, and whatever they decide to be accurate. But that is for the people who have time, who can think about stuff, but not for everyone. So Medfin is a sorted place if you want to get any kind of responses, surgery and everything. It's a sorted place. Just go there, tell your problem, solution will already be ready, and they will guide you with your problems or issues what you have. At the time of consultation, there were Medfin consultants who were actually readily available in the hospital. Before I went in, they used to follow up, send me the location details, everything, and I used to get an update about what is going to happen in the hospital. I'd be prepared to speak to the doctor, and I had an idea how much time it would take, so I could make schedule before I visit the hospital. So I was excellently coordinated by Medfin people. So I would highly recommend it. Coordination were with two people. One was Preetham initially, and then Syed, who took care of complete part, end to end. He was there. Actually, when I was wearing glasses, my son used to take out the glasses from my face and used to play with that. Now, after LASIK and everything, I'm able to have, I have a clear vision, and he's missing the glasses actually. He's the only person who is missing my glasses. So I would recommend Medfin in future, and I'm already doing it to my colleagues and friends who is already wearing glasses. I did recommend it to you too. I am truly I'm truly happy with the surgery. I am completely satisfied. I would recommend it to everybody. I would recommend it to people who are actually wearing glasses and they want to lose glasses. Please go through LASIK. It's just a minimum. We call it a surgery, but it's not actually a complicated surgery or anything. It's very simple procedure or a treatment. It will be less than 20 minutes of your time will be taken, and then in a week you will be able to see normally. You will be able to see in a clear vision.